There's a little burrito shack in heaven, and they're serving this right now. Americans, we're a beautiful bunch of misfits. Yet regardless of our beliefs, we all have to eat. But even this can be contentious. Growing up, breakfast looked more like this and less like this. Don't worry, waffle lovers, there's another way. This New Mexican burrito brings in elements from 3 previous episodes, so consider those your prerequisites. I've linked them in the description. You thought burrito perfection was something you could just buy at the grocery store? Yeah, no. Here's what we'll need. As with most New Mexican dishes, simple ingredients come together to make tongue-pleasing combinations, and this is no exception. Let's start with the spuds, as they'll take the most time. Clean and slice them. Are you a skin-on person? Awesome. Does potato skin give you the dry heaves? Awesome. Whatever the case, just give them a good wash, then slice them. The thinner you slice them, the faster they'll cook, just so you know up front. I'm using a good 1/4 cup of avocado oil, and I always have some saved bacon grease on the stove for such occasions. As a general rule, potatoes love a flavorful oil. They just do. Test the oil with a single potato. If it has a soft sizzle, it's ready. If it just sits there and looks at you, yeah, you need more heat. Add the others and try to get them to stop giving each other piggyback rides. It's not that kind of burrito. While we wait for those to get all toasty golden brown, let's grate some cheese and chop some green chili. Would it surprise anyone if I said I'm using random cheese because it was on sale? Medium cheddar is my favorite. It's strong enough to stand up to the bullies of flavor we're surrounding it with. Strain out those potatoes and, while they're piping hot, sprinkle them with salt. Always salt fried things while they're hot. Always. Speaking of hot, both your carne adobada and red chili need to be hot. Otherwise you won't get the gooey, cheesy effect. And we need that. Now, I love fried eggs in my breakfast burritos. Yolk runs all over the adobada and red chili, adding another layer of fat and flavor. It's a glorious, glorious thing. It's time. Yay! Warm a tortilla so it won't break on you when you roll it. Then commence the layering. No rocket science here, we're going for flavor, not Instagram likes. Top tip, a pan on medium-high and a teensy bit of butter will give you a crispy outside. Seriously, don't skip this step. Your tortilla needs help standing up to the red chili bath you're about to give. Yep, that one. That bath. And you've just punched your ticket to the Delicious Express. All aboard. Oh my gosh. The tortilla shell is crispy on the outside, but then since there's so much moisture on the inside, it's just chewy. Again, more yolk just popped on that. You're supposed to eat some other burritos with a fork and a knife. I recognize I'm being a pig. I don't care. This, boom, boom, mop that up. Oh, I could eat 50 of these. It's like unbelievably good. So good. That, I will put this up against any burrito in New Mexico. This is the best burrito I've ever had in my life. If you make one thing from watching this channel, you better make that, because it'll blow your mind. It'll ruin you forever. Make this. Red and green, if you want to sound super cool when you go to New Mexico, be like, I would like this Christmas. It doesn't make you cool, it just means you know how to order red chili and green chili on your burrito. Always Christmas. Don't eat crappy food. Don't eat crappy burritos. If you're eating a crappy burrito, change. Life is too short. Live intentionally. Eat intentionally. I'll see you guys next week. And I'm gonna eat like 20 more of these. Oh my gosh! This is still so good!